Hello and welcome back to the coding manual, and today's problem we have taken is its subsequence. And what it says is we have given two strings, string s and string t, and we have to check if the given string s is a subsequence of string t. So let's finish this one. So what it's given is that s and t all will have lowercase and potentially very long. Okay, where t says like t is extremely long, like 500,000, and then the string s, which we have to check whether it's a subsequence of t or not, that is short, like 100 length. Okay, so the let's understand what is subsequence first. So when you are given a string, suppose a, b, c, and another string, suppose z, a, y, A, B, A, D, C. Okay, so this is first string, this is second string, and now we have to check if this, the complete string, is subsequence of the string given below. So subsequence is the it's kind of substring, but you can omit some of the characters from that string. Okay, so substring of this, but you can omit whatever characters you want to omit. Okay, so what ultimately you have to check is check if all of this character is present in this, and the sequence of appearing of a is less than the sequence, the index of a appearing in this string is less than the index of b, the next character of the first string, index of b appearing should be the index to the greater index. Okay, so index of a, suppose this one is 1, and the b will be find as 2 3 4, and c will find at 5 6 7. Okay, so this is the subsequence. Actually you should read what Wikipedia says, because you should know what is subsequence, then only you can solve this question. And then subsequence is, in general terms, you can omit some of the characters and check all the characters of this one is present or not in the other strings. So we have given abc, abc, and then ahbgdc, ahbgdc. Okay, check if this one is present in this one. Yes. What is the index? 0. B is present in this one. Yes. What is the index? 2. C present in this one. Yes. What is the index? 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the sequence. Like, you go from left to right for this one and check the index of those characters in the string we have to check into, and check those indexes are less than. Now one thing we have to note here is this: the length of string t is really high. Okay, so what we should do is we should traverse along with string s. So we will check for each character in s. We will check if c in t. Then what we need to do is we need to update the string t itself. Why do we need to do that? Because suppose this is the given string. Okay, suppose this is the given string. Now AH, again A is appearing here. So what do you need to do? You omit this part and check further. Okay, so we will update as we will take the substring of this and try to find the first index of character C, index of C, and then we will say update the T as strings from this. The complete, now we will have the updated T as this H B G D C, and this we have processed. Okay, and this appears. Now we have to check B. So one thing note one thing is to note here is like the index of A in the previous string was 0. Now once we have taken the substring, the index of whatever index we take now, it will be higher than 0 because we are omitting some of the length of the string, original string. Okay, so that length will be plus, and that's just assumption. We are doing this to solve the problem. Okay, now if this is present, then we will update the string, else we will say return false. And once all the character of S is processed and we have not entered into this part, so what we need to return true. Okay, now just check this for C in S. If C in T, then T plus 1, and then return false, else return true. Okay, submit. hmm T. Okay, so this was easy one. Just try to understand this logic, because we will we will always update the T so that the index will be updated one, and this particular method of Python returns the first appearing character. Okay, so if you have a, and then you want to check A, so it will return 0, and it will never return like 1 2 until unless you update this. So you update this, actually this is not proper, so you should take this. Okay, now if you try to find index of A in this, okay, s dot index, so it will return 0, and then update s as BACE. Now if you try to find the same index, it will return 1. Okay, and if you did not update like A B C A, if you don't update, you'll always get index as 0. Okay, so this you need to understand, and that's what the problem was, and we have the subsequence. Thank you.